I'm olórí burúkú. They just kept me here since last week. No food. They want to kill me. I don't want to die of any starvation. I'm going out. I am going for food. Hey. Dr. Bu, come here. Where are you going now? Are you deaf? Are you blind? Don't you have any sense? I am going out for food. I fear hunger. I fear hunger. Hey, you are going out? Are you not aware of coronavirus? Koro or kofo? Coronavirus. Coronavirus. What does that mean? Is that the first epidemic disease in this world? There were many series of epidemic disease in the world. There was one called Black Death. It killed over 200 million people, and we are still alive. If any government want to declare curfew for the citizens, let them provide them food. No food, no drink, no anything. I'm going out for food. They go beat you. They want to arrest me. Let them come and arrest me. They go arrest you now. My boy, I fear hunger. I don't fear any coronavirus. Let coronavirus come and attack me. They go. I'm swagger. If any government want to arrest me, I go arrest that government. They want to declare any curfew in this country, and they never provide us any food. No provision for drink, and I don't want to die of starvation. Give me food, government.